Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix the net cert Symantec legacy error on Google Chrome, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. The first solution is to update your Google Chrome browser to the latest version. Open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the window. A menu will pop up. In this menu, scroll down to Help and then select About Google Chrome from the list. The Chrome browser will update automatically. The second solution is to check the date, time, and time zone. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Time and Languages tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Date and Time. Turn on the switch for Set Time Automatically. Select the correct time zone from the drop-down menu. Click on Sync Now. Lastly, try clearing Google Chrome cache. Open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the window. A menu will pop up. In this menu, select History. Then click on History once again. Select Clear Browsing Data. Change the time range to All Time, and make sure the option for cache is selected. Click on Clear Data. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.